Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and this is
Sabrina.
And how old are you?
Turning 9.
You're turning 9, and today we are making your birthday cake. And what kind of cake are we making?
A rainbow unicorn cake.
Rainbow unicorn. Do you like unicorns?
Yeah, I really do.
Yeah, they're your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's get started.
Yeah.
This is 3 layers of red velvet cake filled and frosted with white chocolate ganache. I cleaned up the cake board. I decided to cover the cake with blue fondant so that it would look like a rainbow is in the sky. I immediately cut off the excess because it was weighing down the fondant and I didn't want it to tear. I smoothed it on with my fondant smoother in my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. I decided to put my daughter's name on a white background because it might not show up as well on the blue background. I placed a rainbow-colored name, Sabrina, and a 9 on the white background and cut out the name in a cloud shape. I placed the name on the side of the cake and the 9 on the top of the cake. Then I started modeling the unicorn. This is just a simple white unicorn. I rolled the body into a cylinder, then I rolled a snake and cut the legs to the same length. I placed 2 on the sides and 2 in the middle. Then I placed the unicorn on the cake and put a toothpick into it. I rolled a ball with a line in the middle with my finger and placed it on the body. I cut some small triangles as ears and placed them on the head. Then I wrapped some white fondant on the tip of a toothpick and placed it in the head as the horn. Then I rolled some small snakes of all colors of the rainbow and placed them as the mane and tail of the unicorn. Then I rolled all colors of the rainbow in thick snakes and placed them across the back of the cake in a rainbow formation going through every color. Then I cut out some white cloud shapes and placed them at the base of the rainbow. Then I used some of the different colors to make ribbon roses. If you need a tutorial on how to make a ribbon rose, see the link in the card. I started with white, then pink, then red, then yellow, then orange. Finally, I painted eyes and nose on the unicorn in black, and the hooves and horn in gold. I love how this cake turned out. It's so beautiful and colorful. Sabrina loved it. It was exactly what she wanted. Happy birthday, Sabrina. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.